Well, it's that time of season again. That's right, it's flu season. And yours truly is feeling a little under the weather, so I decided to do a little video on the doctors, Ratchet and Lifeline. Now, Ratchet and Lifeline are only available as Amazon exclusive in the Paradron Medic set. As you can see here, I made at least a few adjustments and little custom touches of my own. I'm gonna start off here with Lifeline, which is basically a repaint of the Earthrise RC mold. And with a little bit of Lego, I added a little nurse's hat on her, a wrench, and a little monitor pad. Now here is Lifeline in her vehicle mode. I forgot to mention before, she comes with at least this one clear plastic pistol. And as you can see, she's basically just wearing her vehicle mode, since the robot mode is here, scrunched up here in the bottom. Even the nurse's hat that I modified on her head even fits under there. And here's Lifeline again in her robot mode. Here I have her next to the Thrilling 30 RC, just to show the similarities and differences between the molds. And the remolded Alita 1, which shows that that big backpack of hers is removable. And on Alita 1 here, I have her holding it as a shield. And here is the DocBot Ratchet. As you can see here, I've modified this mold as well with a couple of parts from No-Nif Productions to basically make this little shield he has into a little medical sled with a couple of additional Lego for added detail. Also, I can give Ratchet here a little bit of a wrench. Now here's a comparison along with my unaltered guard figure, most notably the new feet and the modifications that I made to make the shield into a platform here. And here is Ratchet again, along with Ironhide. And here we have Ratchet in his ambulance vehicle mode. I really wish that they painted in these windows here. But let me bring in Guard again, just to show the differences and modifications that I've made. Here you see I changed out the tires to the No-Nif versions, since the tires here were unchanged on the original from the Siege mold. And here you can see Guard's feet pretty much just hanging out there, as opposed to the No-Nif Productions feet here, which makes the ambulance mode back here a lot more cleaner. And here we go, side by side again. The original Vanette and the ambulance. So that's my review of the Paradron Medic set of Ratchet and Lifeline. Now if you could, now if you want a set of your own, I don't know if they're still available on Amazon or not, but you could try off of eBay, hopefully for not too much of a high price. And alright, Alright guys, I'm gonna go back to bed and rest. Thanks for watching.